Hi, today I'm ready for your Redmi A1 Plus and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should just hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. So by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder and we can add here more applications. If you want to rename the folder, we should just click open it, tap once on the name and enter the apps. Tap to OK, the home button, and as we can see we just successfully renamed it. Just to move folder here on the screen or between the screens, so just to create a new screens for that, we should just hold it and drag it. Also, let's just go back. If you want to remove the application from here, we should just hold the app and drag it to the home screen. But if you want to remove application from the folder and from the home screen, you should just hold it and okay, this is to uninstall now. Just by hold and drag them to the home screen. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.